Hi there, students. Tweet and Twitter. To tweet to Twitter. A tweet, a Twitter. Well, I'm sure you all know the social media blogging site, Twitter, where you send tweets. But what does tweet and Twitter actually mean? Okay, so a bird tweets. There was a bird outside the window tweeting beautifully. Twitter, the same. There was a bird twittering outside my window. Although I think probably Twitter is more birds at the same time. There was a group of starlings on the phone line twittering. Yeah, the twittering sounds of the birds in the trees. So to twitter, to chirp, to tweet, to chirp. And this is the idea, yeah? So the birds were twittering. I guess also we could use this word to Twitter informally. What are you twittering about? What are you tweeting about? So this is a bit pejorative, a bit disrespectful. What are you saying? Yeah, I'm putting down, I'm giving little importance to what you're saying. He's always twittering about his problems. Yeah, this is a metaphor of the bird. Yeah, so stop twittering about this. I don't want to hear any more about it. Yeah, okay, so to twitter about something, to speak about something. Yeah, perhaps nervously and excited. Yeah, he was twittering on about his problems. Okay, so yeah, it's like the bird. Yeah, so to twitter, to talk quickly, nervously in a high voice, saying things of little importance, things that are not very interesting. Yeah. So yeah, my workmate spends all day twittering about nothing. Yeah, the birds twittering, chattering, trilling, whistling in the trees. A twitter, I could hear a twitter coming from outside. A twittering sound, an adjective. Yeah, They were twittering about how much money they were going to make. Yeah. Okay, so to Twitter, to talk about something. What are you tweeting about? Same idea. Yeah, but I think a tweet is one bird. Twittering. So, let's see, he was tweeting about this. I'm not sure he was tweeting on about this. I think I would prefer he was twittering on. I guess you could use tweeting on as well, but twittering on sounds better, because twittering is lots of birds, whereas the tweet is just one. Okay, so tweet and Twitter. So now you know actually what these words mean. So the birds were tweeting on the trees. 5 informality. He was twittering on about his problems. 3.5 informality. Yeah. Okay, the birds were tweeting in the trees. 5 informality, use anywhere. And then as to origin, well, I think both of these are just onomatopoeia. Listen to the word tweet. Sounds the same. Twitter. Yeah, is where various birds are twittering in the trees. Okay, so now you actually know the meaning. Let's see, I think there was a Proto-Germanic word, twitwizona, meaning to chirp or to twitter. Yeah, and I'm sure that comes even from Proto-Germanic, but this is clearly something onomatopoeic. Yeah, Twitter, a succession of chirps by a bird. Okay, so I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Tweet and Twitter.